squat. Get low. Make sure your abs are in, your chest is lifted, and your back is gorgeous. Abs are in, so make sure you get the toes turned out. So you get inner thigh, outer thigh, sides of the butt. Love it. That belly button in tight. Press your lower back down. Exhale as you draw. Come on, you got this. I want you to do it until it hurts, and then I want you to do it a little bit more. Let's go. Center. Twist. Twist. Make sure you breathe. Every time you twist, exhale. Chest lifted. And your quads should be on fire. Squeeze them. While you're sitting in this, squeeze them. And then squeeze them some lifted. Don't lean forward to lift the leg higher, okay? Leg day. We're burning calories. And switch it out, you guys. Keep going right into it. Let's go, other side. Dig that heel in that's on the ground. Make it work. Lift. Keep breathing. Come on, you guys. Never give up. Great things take time. Yes, I love it. Just a little bit stronger. One day, one workout, one meal at a time. That's how we're gonna do this. Yeah, six-pack coming your way. Keep going. Love it, you guys. Come on, squeeze, home stretch, home stretch. Suck it all under. Nice flat line, shoulders pressed down. Breathing, squeeze. Keep going. Abs are in, as tight as you can get them. Reach that weight back just a little bit. Keep breathing. Those elbows straight. You feel it. Teresa's like, I feel it, it burns. It burns so good, you guys. Appreciate it.